Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do a mid fade on a client. Subscribe to my channel and let's dive into the video. Right now I'm taking my trimmer and doing the poking, as you can see. As we are doing at the side, we head over to the other side, following the same process gently, and make sure we clear the hair. As we are done clearing the hair under it, then we can go over to the fading part. After that also, we do it at the back also precisely, and make sure that the shape is round for a nice fading. After you are done with that, we can head over clipper open level. We can head over on fading the hair. As you can see, this is our first guideline we're making at the hair. I want you to watch this video carefully. This is our first guideline we're going to make throughout the round of the hair. The half level open, the first guideline, the line under it, that is what we are about to remove at the hair right now. After that, we take our guard 3 level close. We go downwards, as you can see. This is the first foundation of fading the hair. After we fade, we usually clean the hair. Then we can go over again. After we are done with that section, we take our level 1 guard, level close. As you can see, going downwards, we are trying to align the first guidelines to the second guidelines, as you can see in the video. Let's watch how we do it right now. After we are done with that, we head over to our 1.8 guard level close. We do it gently. We are taking the head downwards and make sure it is aligning. And don't forget, when you're fading your hair, you need to brush your head to give it that finished look, as you can see. Then we also go back to our 1 guard. As you can see, we are trying to make the fading aligns with the hair. In this process, we take it gently, and while we are doing it, we are also brushing the hair. And basically, if I don't brush the hair, don't mind, because we're already professionals in doing this thing. After taking on our step 1 and going through it, later we are going to remove the step 1 and take our normal open level to brush the hair to make it look nice and neat. As you can see, we are doing it, and let's watch how we do it right now. Now, as we are done with it, as you can see, we head over to the other side. What we did at the other side, that is what we are going to do also this side. As you can see, we are creating our first guideline. After that, we keep the level close a bit to remove the line below the first guideline we created, as you can see. After that, we head over to our step. We keep on brushing the hair, and let's watch how this fading turns out to be in the video. Now as you can see, our fade up is aligning due to our precise fading method and the way we handle the step. Now we head over to the back. In this case, it's a different scenario. As you can see, we are trying to remove the line under the first guideline we already created at the back. We make sure that it's neat before we can use our step. Then we take a quick brush to navigate how we can fade the hair. Before doing anything, our fade up must be okay. Then we take our first step, which I told you at the first video. I want you to watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part so that you will not miss any place on fading this hair. Then after that, those lines under it, that is what you are trying to remove gently. After we are done with the back, we go over round, precise checking where the fade up is nice before you can head over on giving my client a nice shape up by carving his hair. Now as you are done with that, we head over by shaping his hair. This is my lining substance. We use it to shape the hair gently, as you can see. Let's watch how we do it. As you can see, we head over to the other side. The same actions we take. We don't press the trimmer too hard on the client's hair. After we're done with it, we head over on enhancement by enhancing the hair and making it look nice. Let's watch how we do the enhancement. Now after we make sure that the enhancement is nice, I head up and apply my oil and rubbing him up of some dreadlock foams on his head to making the head look nice and crispy. Now as you can see, the hair is looking, boy is looking more like a gangster. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.